exterior shot showing continued progress on the brickwork and the installation of the windows. Along the back river side of the building, these are the windows from the meeting room that will be looking out towards the river. And the entire back side is covered in plastic sheeting to keep the bricks warm while they're curing. We have a nice snow-covered Connecticut River to look out on today. There's a view of the first floor and the activity going on towards the children's room. Work on some storage spaces and office spaces. Over towards the circulation area. Down towards the main entrance. Getting a look at the second floor, heading over towards the teen room. On the wall to the left will be staff offices. In the back corner is the local history room. Towards the back windows are the adult book stacks. Elevator shaft and the copier and business area. Towards the other side of this floor will be the reference desk and reference office. Up on the roof, taking a look across the river, Holyoke Dam. We've got the Texon building. Library parking lot. The Tech Fab building. And then the Fibermark building.